Hello everyone, I'm here with an amazing Google Ads suspension restoration case study where the client, although we provided them an account, and what happened that after advertiser verification the account went into suspension. For those who don't know, we are one of the pioneer Google Ads partner company, been working in Google Ads for more than around 18 to 19 years at this moment at the time of creating video. And I have a team of professionals with me who works along, and we provide specialized solutions for Google Ads suspensions, Google Merchant Center suspension, Google Ads disapprovals. We also help clients with Google Ads audit setup management, Meta Ads audit setup management, Bing Ads audit setup management. Plus, we provide complete website designing solutions, including for Shopify, e-commerce stores, WordPress stores, all solutions not only to limited to e-commerce but all in all complete solutions as well. And we provide assistance with SEO solutions as well. So let's get started regarding this amazing Google Ads suspension case study where the account went into suspension even after advertiser verification. So you may see around over here your verification task is under review, and after this what happened was that thanks for completing all required tasks. You may see your account is verified, your ads will have. Okay, what happens is after this the account went into suspension. Your Google Ads account has been suspended for circumventing system multiple account abuse violation. So it's a very kind of a swear violation. Okay, what happens, there can be many reasons why your Google Ads account is suspended. We have been discussing regarding why your Google Ads account is suspended, and a few of the reasons for suspensions include circumventing system, which is the reason over here. Another is multiple account abuse policy, where the client has multiple accounts. Sometimes your account is suspended for unpaid balance, sometimes it's suspended for suspicious payment, sometimes it's suspended for egregious violation. All of these violations are swear, but circumventing system is a very swear, plus it's a double suspension. Why? Because along with circumventing system you have multiple account abuse policy over here. So the Google thinks that with circumventing system policy you are either deceiving your end user, or you are not showing the exact data to the Google, or you are showing different data to Google and different data to your customer, and Google highly thinks of your website or content as suspicious, or your website can steal important information from the customer. So this is, you can see how the serious these violations are. Plus, with multiple account abuse policy, it means that you are running multiple accounts, and with multiple accounts you have unpaid balances, or your multiple accounts also have suspensions with the circumventing system, or any other suspension is already applied to your account. So you can understand that these are very severe violations, and you may see automated and human reviews are used to ensure Google Ads policies are followed. So whenever there is a suspension like this, even after 2000 verification, we follow a serious content. We have a 160 plus checklist to ensure the compliance regarding Google. So this is the website, and once the suspension came, what we did was we did a thorough review of all the website. What we do, we even do a test checkout of all the policies, products, pages, every page, every small to small page, to see if there is any compliance. We run different malware tools, adware scanners. We check for broken links, we check for the issues in the Google search console. We looked on every angle. Plus, apart from this, we started communicating with the Google rep as a Google partner, used all of the resources because we wanted a quick resolution, for this. Also, what we did was we did an audit as well, and with audits what we did, we found some placeholders. So the placeholder thing, we learned after restoring Google Merchant Center account, but believe me that this also helps in your Google Ads suspensions. If your website has placeholder, plagiarism, duplicate images, these could cause suspensions, and even in cases, where you are not using company email address, this can cause an issue. Sometimes robot.txt file is an issue, so this could cause an issue. So we updated the robots.txt file. We felt that there are many files, which are being disallowed, and this could cause a reason. Google may think that circumventing system is happening, they are not allowing our robot, but you are allowing your final users to visit those pages. There may be something suspicious over there on why you're not allowing Google. Plus, some dead links were being found. Plus, mobile page speed needed improvement. Plus, we suggested adding some information regarding the company on the contact information on all of the pages. Some pages needed to be updated. Some policy pages which we suggested, and we aligned all of these pages. What happens is there was a different page, different way, different. So these can cause suspensions, and the social media pages were also being cross-checked. What happens is you may have a different information over there and different information on your website. This cause an issue. Sometimes your time zones are different on somewhere on your page and some other page, or on your social media page. This could cause an issue. Sometimes the payment methods you are showing on your website footer and while doing the checkout, they are different. So these could cause a suspension. So there can be many reasons why your Google Ads account is suspended. Sometimes misdisplay, miscommitments, your wordings, your claims, you are doing extra claims. For instance, if you say that you lose 7 kgs in 7 days, how is it proven? This is not a proven statement. This is just a marketing stunt. This could cause suspension. So please try to understand. And apart from these, some small changes, sometimes the images are not acceptable. Maybe that could cause an issue. Sometimes, even after updating the content, you need to update in Google Search Console profile. For instance, this has an outdated year and some more small things which need an update, plus time zone. You may see around the address is in India and the phone number is US, time zone is North American. So you can see these three things can also cause suspension. So you can see with Google how advanced Google is. And after all of these, once we started communicating with our Google web, and after sorting out all of these issues and looking around, we finally got some approvals, which I'm going to show you. The first is your Google Ads account has been reactivated. I will show you as well. And your account was temporarily suspended to verify your billing information and policy compliance. It's now reactivated, so your ads can start running again. Ads could start running automatically if your billing information is up. Okay, don't worry, this is an AI image. Don't worry with this. Okay, another image you can see over here. You can see our MCC ID, your account is unsuspended. So I'm going to show you the email as well, plus the live account as well. So after this, we got an email, your account has been reactivated, so you can verify with the customer ID as well. Your Google Ads account has been reactivated. Your Google Ads was temporarily suspended to verify your billing information and policy compliance. It's now reactivated, so the ads can start running again. Ads could start running automatically if your billing information is updated. And now if I move back to the account, I'm going to refresh, so you can see around. This is all new. So wait a second while it gets loaded. So you may see, I'm going to show you the notifications. Your account is unsuspended. Your account has been reactivated and is able to run ads again. So congratulations to the team. And you may see, you can even verify from the data as well, today date, and you can see the date. The spending is also being started on an account. So yeah, this is another successful Google Ads account suspension restoration case study where my team was able to restore the account. So depending upon the complexity, we cannot give you a fixed date, on how much time it takes to restore the account, because sometimes the account takes longer, shorter. And we also provide Google Ads accounts. We suggest to do the website compliant first, for which we assist as well, and then get our account as well. We provide an account from Google Partner. MCC being a partner company, we are being authorized from the Google to issue new accounts to our clients, so we can provide that as well. And apart from this, we help clients with Google Ads Audit, Setup, Management, Bing Ads Audit, Setup, Management, Meta Ads Audit, Setup, Management, Google Merchant Center Audit, Setup, Management, plus Google Ads suspensions and Google Ads disapprovals, plus Google Business Profile suspensions. We also have clients with complete website development solutions, especially on Shopify and WordPress. We also provide web hosting services. We have a dedicated web hosting service as well, which is now being added on our website as well. So in case if you need either of the services, you are more than welcome to visit our website and go through the detailed overview of what services we offer as a Google partner company. So we are based in UAE, and again, it's a teamwork, not a single person work. So yeah, congratulations to the team, and thank you to the client who worked hard, who was supportive, patient, and who worked hard in getting those changes updated and was supported with us to make it a successful project. So yeah, thank you for watching all of this. I hope you like this, and in case if either of you needs our services, you are more than welcome to hire us through the link in the description or in the first comment of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.